Hello everybody. Traded the SPX today. I know everyone's all obsessed with MYO and all these low floats, but I just can't get on board anymore. There's literally no reason for me to trade any of this stuff anymore. I don't like it. There's no point. With the opportunities that you can get in options, honestly, I just don't care about MYO. Look at this. $7 to 35. Okay. You think that's a great move. Okay, that's fine. If you want to look at the Tesla options, so like the 1,000 calls, yesterday they were 20 cents. Look, yesterday they started at 3 cents, 1 cent, 10 cents, 50 cents, $1, $2. And then the next day, today, they made it all the way up to 50. Now tell me that that's not crazy, right? Like, you don't need these low floats to get these kind of moves. Now Tesla is a ridiculous example of what doesn't usually happen, but usually you can get pretty dang good moves on just a regular stock. Let's just pull up something normal like Netflix. Netflix 365s. Let's just pull those up. Again, yesterday we're at 90 cents. Today we're up $5, $6, $6.50. Absolutely beautiful move. Now I'm actually in some SPY or SPX right now. I have to set a stop on the other monitor because we're starting to break down. 350. Sell. Cool. So let me show you what I did today. I was trading the SPX options. I'll show you on the SPY because it's just easier. Nothing too crazy today. We had a big gap up from yesterday. We looked like we were going to roll over yesterday on the daily and like maybe kind of bounce off of here and roll lower, but instead now we're making it over these highs. Actually a pretty crazy move today. Now go back to the hourly. I was just simply buying. At the open I was actually in puts. I thought we were going to hit this top right here, roll over and crash, but instead we went up. So I bought the puts right at the pre-market highs right here. I covered some of them down here. I had another strike that I took as we came back up, and then as we came back down, we didn't make a new low, and instead we closed the candle above the opening print, and as this 5-minute candle started to go green and above this high, I stopped out of it completely, and I was waiting to enter the calls. Now, as we came back down into this level, I was buying the SPX calls. I took one up in here. I added 2 or 3 more down here. I think I had a total of 5. And I was just riding it all the way up. I sold as we pushed through here. I re-added. I sold again. Did I sell up here? No, I haven't sold any up here yet. I'm actually about to get stopped out of one of my remaining 2. Because as you can see, we're kind of dumping here. But I don't need to trade the low floats. They're just so insanely stressful. Like the 1 minute on MYO. Look at the spread. Okay, the spread right now is not terrible. It was 10 cents. Now it's 1 cent. It's probably about to dump through 60. But on the way up here, there was like $1 spread. It's just, these kinds of moves happen all day, every day with options. So I can't bring myself to come back to this. Like, for example, the SPX right here. The ones that I was in. $2.50 all the way up to $5. I didn't get a good sell up here quite yet, and I'm actually about to get stopped out here if this touches 350. But the moves and options are just exponential, like these low floats. You don't have to trade the low floats to get these kinds of moves. So an awesome bounce back from yesterday. I'm trading super disciplined today, especially compared to last week. So I'm going to try to just keep this up. If SPY stops me out, I'm still going to be up massive on the day. And if it keeps going and rips into tomorrow, then tomorrow is going to be a disgustingly good day as well. So this video is a little bit shorter. I just wanted to show you guys the power of options. Again, 1 cent to $1, and then the next day it's at $50. So you don't have to trade the low floats if you don't want to. All right, keeping it short. See you later.